Hey guys, welcome back to Triple R Backyard Grilling. For today's video, we're going to be doing grilled chicken quesadillas with spinach and mushrooms. Now let's go inside, get things started. Alright, here we are. We're back inside the Triple R kitchen. So for today's ingredients, we have flour tortillas, Monterey Jack Cheese, portobello mushrooms, fresh spinach, and our rotisserie chicken. Just what we will end up doing is that we'll saute our portobello mushrooms with our spinach until they're tender, and then we'll go ahead and debone the rotisserie chicken. Then we will go outside and we'll get everything assembled. So you know what? We'll see you outside. Here we are, we have everything already ready. We have our spinach, our mushrooms, our chicken, and our cheese, our melted butter. So now let's get things assembled. The grill's nice and hot, ready to go. So I'm adding the, basically gonna put the butter on the tortilla. Got that ready. Going to take our lid off. As you can see, I got a new setup. For the 22-inch Weber grill, I got the griddle with the lifted hinges. Love that sound, love that sound. So now we're gonna add the Monterey Jack cheese. Don't be stingy. Now I'm gonna add my sauteed spinach to that. My sauteed mushrooms. And also my chicken that we deboned. Just add a little bit more cheese up on top. Now we'll go ahead and flip it, get a nice brown char. Damn, that's hot. So now we'll go ahead and close it up, probably for another 3-4 minutes, and then we'll flip it on the other side, get that nice and crispy, and then we'll take it inside and we'll get it plated up for you. Alright, here we are guys. We finally got the quesadillas off the grill. Just took a couple minutes on each side, didn't take very long. So now we have some side items we're going to kind of complement the quesadillas with. So we have our guacamole, we have our salsa, and we have our sour cream. What goes better with the quesadilla? Ice cold Corona Premier. Don't forget that. So now let's go ahead and dive into it, and I'll give you a quick little comment on it. I like to add my avocado, some salsa, and some sour cream. Wow, that tastes great. Just look at that. You can see the mozzarella, mushroom, spinach. Tastes wonderful. If you like this recipe, leave a comment. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, lower left side. And also, give us a thumbs up. And you know what guys? Be safe. We'll see you next round.